Today in this video, I will be taking you through the Mithrill website. Mithrill is a decentralized social media platform on the Ethereum blockchain. So let's get started. Mine Mithrill. Find followers, fortune, and fame. What's Mithrill? A decentralized social media platform that rewards all content creators. You can watch this intro in your own spare time. Create. Users can mine Mithrill tokens through social mining. Reward. The Mithrill token is a token based on the ERC-20 standard by Ethereum. Spend. Mithrill tokens will soon be accepted throughout the Mithrill merchants. An exchange. Through the Mithrill Vault, users will be able to exchange Myth for BTC or ETH. That means Bitcoin or Ethereum. Lit. Users could share their stories via lit stories and be rewarded with Mithrill tokens based on their stories' impact and influence across the network. Partners. They have QTUM, Sora Foundation, Instant Recycle, and Block State. You can check out their social media, Telegram, Facebook, and much more. So I'm going to end the video right here. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and comment down below. You can also go to the Weirdest Coins website to find more information about Bitcoin.